prepare rent and rates account as well as rent received account. To make the accounts, we need the figures ready, for which we shall follow some steps. In step 1, we figure out whether the account in question is expense or income. We are asked to make rent and rates account, and rent is an expense, unless the question specifically mentioned rent received. This is the key point in the question because subsequent entries in the question depend on this.
Let's go to step 2 where we note down the accounting year.
And knowing that helps to figure out whether there was any owing or prepayments in the beginning or end of the year.
Our year end of this question is 31 July 2018, so beginning of the year is 1 August 2017.
The accounting year is therefore from 1 August 2017 to 31 July 2018. In step 3, we need to know the opening and closing balance. To do step 3, we use some rules. I have briefly explained these rules in my previous videos. We begin with opening balance. We check what was happening in the question on 1 August 2017. On 1 August 2017, rates of $350 in advance. So according to the rules, expenses paid in advance is other receivable, so $350 is debit. On the same day, rent expense of $250 in arrears. Arrears means payment is done after service is enjoyed, which means it is outstanding, which also means owes. As per the rules, owed expense means it is other payable, so the $250 is credit entry. Now, let's find out the closing balance. So let's look at what happened on 31 July 2018. We can see in the question that on 31 July 2018, rates of $200 is paid in arrears, which means this rate is paid after the space is used, so it is owed. As per the rules, owed expense means it is other payable, so the $200 is credit entry. On the same day, rent of $180 is paid in advance. As per the rules of step 3, expenses paid in advance is other.
Now come to step 4.
In step 4, we look at any payments or receipts. For this question, this part here where transaction is written is the payment for the rent. There are 4 different payments on 4 separate dates. The double entry is bank credit and expenses debit. The logic is that bank goes down if there is a payment, so bank as an asset goes down, so it is credit. The rent and rates account is debited by 1-800, 2,000, 1,600, and 2,200.